This is the beginning of an underpower video demonstration of a Toyoda FA1050S horizontal machining center. 2 pallets. Pallets are 41.3 by 41.3. 120 tools. I believe it's a 6,000 RPM, but it's 1 degree indexing on the table. We're just doing a walk around of the machine right now so you can see the machine. Taking an overall look at the machine. Here's the control. We're going to run it here in a second. The spindle up there. Tombstones will not come with it. Tools. Machines weigh just about 70,000 pounds. Right now we're doing a tool change. It's kind of hard to, oh, there we go. See the coolant? Right there, spraying. Just put in a through the spindle coolant tool. The 120 tools, Cat 50 taper. Again, it's coolant through the spindle. Tooling is not included, but you at least know that it's 120 tools. So this is the final conclusion of the underpower video demonstration of the Toyota FA1050S, and we're just doing a little quick finishing final walk around. Take a look inside. Mainly they're machining tool steel. They're holding 8/10ths on the machine, on all the parts. Very, very nice machine. It's time for their budget to get a new machine.